Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of days, I've been letting you know about the LG monitors saga, where LG monitors were installing and have been installing adware on Windows PCs. And as I mentioned in a video which I posted a couple of days ago, I'll leave it linked if you'd like some more information. Because of this, Microsoft had intervened and LG had agreed to disable the McAfee ad pop-up in its monitor app installer, which was part of the adware being installed, as I mentioned previously. Now, just to let you know that it does seem that something similar is happening with the HP Support Assistant, which apparently now has started promoting Bing through pop-ups on Windows PCs. And quick recap, the HP Support Assistant does things like install drivers, check hardware specifications, and view warranty information, just to mention a couple of attributes that the app has. Now, if we head over to an image provided, here we can see it says the pop-up displays the message, the search that gives back, and includes an option to make Bing, which by the way is ticked by default, make Bing the default search provider and homepage, which applies to Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. And then you've got three options. Yes, let's try it, remind me later, and don't show me this again. So if you click yes, let's try it, apparently it opens up Chrome or Firefox and then attempts to install a Bing browser extension. And then the extension apparently tries to change two settings, the browser's default search engine and the browser homepage as mentioned. And there are user reports that even if you click don't show me this again, that the promotion continues to appear even after clicking that option. Now, the reason I mentioned that previous video where Microsoft had stepped in as LG monitors were installing adware was because Microsoft wasn't okay with that. But Microsoft is okay with pushing its own products and services through the HP Support Assistant, which is a third-party app, very similar to the LG Monitor app installer. So this is interesting. And neither HP nor Microsoft currently has actually explained what's going on here with the campaign or disclosed whether it forms part of a commercial agreement between the two companies. So a good reason why Microsoft could have stepped in against LG was they weren't getting paid at the end of the day. So it does seem that with this, that obviously there is an agreement between the two companies where Microsoft is getting a kickback, obviously. So Microsoft isn't okay with LG, but is okay with HP pushing its own product and service. So this is not the first time Microsoft has faced criticism for promoting Bing and Edge across Windows and its online services. And this is after I posted earlier today that Microsoft is forcing unremovable upgrade banners in Office, where, as I mentioned in the video, which will be linked if you'd like more information, the ad that Microsoft is pushing in its Office products cannot be dismissed or hidden. So interesting stuff. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think Microsoft should play fair across the board? What's good for one should be good for the other? Let me know your thoughts down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.